Alright guys, sorry. I should have had this in the same video, but yepper, this is part 2. This is the tone test, even though I've already fucked around with it. I'm playing out of a micro cube right now, but my 412 stack sounds so much fucking better. But yeah, I need a setup on this thing, just a little bit. The action's pretty high, just need it lowered a little bit. I like my action to sit a little bit high, but to where I can hear all the notes and it sounds better. This is a Tario or a Tario 7-string guitar. I got it off Amazon for like, I think $200. But yeah, it's fucking great. I'm thinking about, I'm not going to go the Fishman route because that's just too much money. But I'm going to go with like a nice EMG. Like just an old set for a 7. I can't sweep pick. But yeah, this is for like my metal guys that want to see like, or hear, that want to hear the sound of this beautiful thing. Because there's like only one guy and he just kind of just plays like some B standard like early metals riff, but you can do all your rock chords, but I don't do that shit. I just But yeah, there you guys go, man. Fucking